on page 21, and this again is to do with a spike in crime in the country, but this particular article is concentrating on one particular area, and it is Donholm. But again, looking at where we are today economically speaking, the numbers that we have of unemployed people, and this might be putting our country at risk, and this is to do with insecurity. Cases of carjacking, mugging and violent robbery are on the increase. In fact, I have a friend who was shot on Friday, I believe it was, in South B. And these were literally just thugs who, what you term as petty thugs. You know, people who are just coming to steal your phone, steal your handbag, your laptop if you have it on you. But fortunately, he was shot, but not badly injured. No vital organs were injured. But again, focusing on a security issue that we as a country need to ensure that is brought to a stop, given the economy the way it is right now.
It's very true, and you know, we sorry to your friend, but the thing that we need to understand is that definitely there are also some areas in this city where we experience, we could call them like hotspots, where there's a lot of heavy violence, and police need to be able to man those places very seriously. But as a general rule, we should be able to, you know, the police needs to deal with issues of violence and robbery so that the people and the citizens of this nation do not have to constantly, you know, experience, you know, where their lives are put in danger. And so we're hopeful that in the days to come that the police will fight very strongly with some of these gang groups. And
I think in the back of that, because I'm sure the police would say they're doing their best, is also if we improve the economy, then we bring down the numbers of criminals, because, I mean, if people have work to do, some of them are desperately, it is no excuse really for somebody to be a thug, but the excuse would be, if I had work, I wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah, it's very true. Also, we need to, you know, keep the minds of people engaged in a very positive way, and also the culture that we have, because also we've seen that we also have a culture of violence, which is something that we really need to, you know, negate, and we need to discourage, especially from, you know, the very top of our leadership, that even if we want to do business and be able to express ourselves, because as you are saying, this is an expression of the fact that there's a lot of economic challenge, and this is how people express themselves. So we need to be able to find avenues for us to be able to express ourselves in non-violent ways, so that even the breaking of somebody's windscreen when you are demonstrating is still not right.
Two wrongs don't make a right.
Yeah, it's still not right. So we need to discipline ourselves in how we express ourselves, and even how, you know, we maybe, let me use the word, resist when it comes to issues that we deal with as a society.
Absolutely. All right, so there's a lot more in the Standard, but let's now take a